How to fix Snapchat if it's not working, problem solved. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Snapchat right here, click on force stop and then go to notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back. Go back and now click on the storage right here as you can see. Click on clear data and clear cache like this, and now what you want to do next is very simple. Just go back into the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and then disable it like this. As you can see now, all what you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.